Uncle, man, welcome back to the channel real quick, man. Okay, I want to cover a few things. One thing in particular, y'all remember this Durango? I think I did a video on this a while back. It came in for no AC. And when I was telling y'all, the best way to go by finding the reason why car AC will not operate, especially or only if it's low, very low on Freon, is what we do here at the dealer called AC system service. That's where we giving a pound of Freon and some dye. In this case, this is a newer car and it utilizes R1234YF Freon. Okay, so the dye is built into it. So what we do use is a new piece of equipment. It's a new machinery. We fill the system up. The machine will evacuate the system, check it for leaks, and refill it if it doesn't find any leaks. Okay, this is all automatic. Okay, on automatic mode. So I did the AC system service and I delivered the car to the customer. So in the event that the AC go out again, meaning the Freon leak out again, they're supposed to bring the car back so we can visually find the leak. Okay, remember this type Freon has dye built into it. Okay, so there's no need to add additional dye. All right, so upon return of the car to us, what I found during the initial inspection is, if y'all can see this, man, this grill in the way and this camera not focusing, but this is the condenser, what we're looking at, ladies and gentlemen. Let me bag back a little bit. Okay, right here on the corner edges of the condenser, you can see green dye and a black area on the condenser. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a true indication that that condenser is leaking. Okay, now the AC system service we did a week and a half ago worked as designed. It is designed to fill the system back up with Freon and include dye in that refill. Unfortunately, this new type Freon, which is, you know, the 1234YF, highly expensive, very, very, very expensive. All right, so it has become, they might have to find another way, but there is no other way. I mean, the best way to find leaks is visual. The sniffers that we used to use a while back don't seem to work as accurate as in the past. So I have an old sniffer for 112 and 134. I mean R12 and 134. They doesn't work. They don't work as good as the God-given eyesight and some dye and ultraviolet light and some the glasses that you wear to find the leak. So I'm gonna do a video on that later. But this service worked as designed. I can now see the leak. I will recommend a condenser. Now keep in mind, I looked over the complete car. Never just you know, just look at one area of the car and come to the conclusion that's the only leak, because you could very well have multiple leaks. All right, so I'm gonna let the car down. I'm gonna let y'all see what I looked at. You should pay close attention to the compressor area, the lines, and especially the fittings, the AC system fitting, because these really burn a lot of mechanics, okay? Because that can give off a little silent leak, and you not even know it, and could cause you problems. And people think because they put the cap on, put it on tight, that will stop the leak. That will not stop the leak. Over time, it will still leak out. But you should pay close attention to these Schrader valves inside the AC lines. Even in that area, look inside of there. Look deep in the compressor area. I had all this off. I didn't put it back on, but pay close attention to the compressor, the head of the compressor, and the lines. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this up, man. But in another video, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna go over the new machine that we use for the R1234YF. I keep getting those acronyms mixed up, but I would recommend a condenser. It's not that hard, not that bad. All of this got to come off. The way you're supposed to do it is the whole bumper's supposed to come off, but I've done so many, I can, you know, created my own shortcut. You never should teach shortcuts. Shortcuts should be if you're gonna train a guy, you should train him the right way, and shortcuts come on its own. You know, the guy doing the work will create his own shortcuts, okay? But it's nothing to it. All this bumper stuff come off. The condenser is housed up in there right in front of the radiator. So I've done a bunch of them, millions. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.